Did you know you can make thousands of dollars writing without anyone knowing it's you? Ghostwriting is one of the easiest and most profitable ways to make money online. And today, I'll show you exactly how it works, where to find high-paying clients, and the best way to get started, even if you're a beginner. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a way to make money online using your writing skills, ghostwriting is one of the most underrated yet highly profitable options. In this video, I'll break down what ghostwriting is, the skills you need, where to find clients, and most importantly, how you can start making money from it. Stick around until the end because I'll also introduce you to a powerful course that will help you land high-paying ghostwriting gigs fast. Let's get started. What is ghostwriting? Ghostwriting is the process of writing content, whether it's books, blog posts, social media updates, speeches, or even scripts, for someone else who takes credit for the work. Big names in business, entertainment, and even best-selling authors use ghostwriters all the time. In fact, some of the most famous books and speeches in history were written by ghostwriters. The best part? You don't need to be famous to get paid well as a ghostwriter. Skills, you need to be a ghostwriter. Now, you might be wondering, what does it take to be a successful ghostwriter? Well, here are the key skills you need. First, strong writing skills. You need to write clearly, engagingly, and in a way that sounds like your client. Second, research skills. You'll often need to write about topics you're not familiar with, so knowing how to research quickly and effectively is crucial. Third, adaptability. Every client has a different tone and style, so you need to be able to adjust your writing to match their voice. Fourth, some basic SEO knowledge if you're writing blog content. This helps your work get found online. And finally, client communication skills. Where to get ghostwriting clients? So, where can you actually find ghostwriting jobs? Here are 4 proven ways. 1. Freelance platforms. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour, and Freelancer.com have tons of opportunities for ghostwriters. You can create a profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on jobs. 2. Content marketplaces. Platforms like Constant Content, Text Broker, and Writer Access connect writers with businesses looking for content. These are great if you want steady writing work without the hassle of marketing yourself. 3. Social media networking. LinkedIn is a goldmine for ghostwriters. Business owners, coaches, and influencers are always looking for help with writing books, blog posts, and speeches. Twitter is another great place to connect with entrepreneurs, and Facebook groups for writers and business owners often have job postings. 4. Cold outreach. This is a hidden gem. You can find potential clients, such as business owners, bloggers, and influencers, by researching their content, identifying areas where they need help, and sending them a well-crafted email offering your ghostwriting services. How the Ghostwriting Money Magnet course helps you succeed. Now that you know what ghostwriting is and where to find clients, you might be wondering, how do you actually land these high-paying gigs and turn ghostwriting into a full-time income? That's where the Ghostwriting Money Magnet course comes in. This course is designed to take you from a beginner to a well-paid ghostwriter. You'll learn the step-by-step process of ghostwriting, how to pitch and land high-paying clients, secrets to scaling your ghostwriting business, proven outreach templates and scripts to help you close deals faster. If you're serious about making money as a ghostwriter, this course will fast-track your success. Click the link in the description to check it out now. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips on making money online. Let me know in the comments, are you interested in ghostwriting? I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in my next video.